Today we discuss Journey from Stone to Electron Microscope. First one is 710 BC Nimrud Lens. It is a piece of rock crystal used as a magnifying glass or as a burning dash glass. It is later unearthed by Austin Henry at the Assyrian palace of Nimrud in modern-day Iraq. 1000 AD reading stone. It is first vision aid. 1284. First eyeglasses. Salvino Darmait invent first wearable eyeglasses. 1590. Early microscope. Zacharias Janssen and his son Hans place multiple lenses in a tube. 1609. Compound microscope. Galileo develops this compound microscope with a convex and a concave lens. 1665. Hooke's microscope. He uses a simple, single-lens microscope illuminated by a candle. 1676. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek microscope. He invents new methods for making lenses that allow for magnifications of up to 270 times. 1830. Spherical aberration solved. Joseph Lister reduces spherical aberration by using several weak lenses together to give good magnification. 1931. First electron microscope. Ernst Röske and Max Knoll design and build the first transmission electron microscope. Modern transmission electron microscope can visualize objects as small as the diameter of an atom. 1932. Phase contrast microscope. Fritz Zierneich develops phase contrast illumination, which allows the imaging of transparent samples. 1942. Scanning electron microscope. Ernst Röske builds the first scanning electron microscope. It can reach magnifications of more than 30,000x. 1972. First CT scanner by British engineer Godfrey in 1972. This device combines many X-ray images and gives three-dimensional images of internal organs and structures. 1978. Confocal laser scanning microscope. Thomas and Christoph developed it. 1981. Scanning tunneling microscope, invented by Gerd Binnig and Heinrich Rohrer. It can visualize individual atoms within materials by measuring interactions between atoms rather than by using light or electrons. 1986. Nobel Prize for Microscopy. The Nobel Prize in Physics is awarded jointly to Ernst Röske and to Gerd Binnig and Heinrich Rohrer for the scanning tunneling microscope. 1993-1996. Super-resolution microscopy. Stefan Hell developed optical microscope technology that allows the capture of images with a higher resolution than was previously thought possible. 2010. Atoms of a virus seen. Researchers at UCLA use Electron Microscope to see the atoms of a virus. 2014. Chemistry Nobel Prize for Super Microscopes. This is awarded to Eric Betzig, Stefan Hell and William Morner for development of super-resolved fluorescent microscopy. Do support for more information.
Like, subscribe, and share.